feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Tronovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Say hello. Say hello. So guys, in today's video, it's a typical day in my life, like a realistic day in my life. Right now there's no light and I have markets to go to, and I need to go and fetch water now because water is not running upstairs in my apartment, so I have to go downstairs and fetch water. Yeah, so I'm taking it along with me. Yeah, it's just a day in my life. Yeah, so right now, as you can see, there's no light in my apartment because we don't have lights. So I need to fetch water because I have things to do. I need to make breakfast for baby girl. I need water to make breakfast for her, so I need to go downstairs and fetch water. Yeah, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new vlog. And also like and comment and share. Thank you all so much for the love in our previous vlogs. We do appreciate. Madam, stay one place. We do appreciate. Yeah, so let's get started. What are you disturbing? Alright guys, let's get started.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
Fetch the water.
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch you turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch you turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being.
So guys, I just came back from the car and make breakfast.
And the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know.
What?
Turn that to
Cheese. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. No, you're enjoying your apple. Yeah, see, you're shaking your hand. Fast food. This is her food though. Akamo and plantain because she loves plantain. This one is hot. This is hot. This is hot. You blow it, breathe, breathe. Yeah, take. Blade now.
Let's
Look.
go.
Do.
Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, moves won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't
So guys, it's time for me to eat my own food though. I'm having coca oats and plantain.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Start.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to give back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head not hard. I'm being chewed up, spitting out,
Packing my head.
picking up all the pieces is a form of art.
Come on, remove your half from there. Come on.
Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
Say cheese. Mia.
I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Why did you tell me? Yesterday. Yesterday now. Going to the playground. Going to the playground. We're going to the playground. Mia, go and play. Eh? So we're in the playground and you don't want to play. Yes. Yes, bye-bye. Guys, we're going to another playground. Not really a playground, just like a park, a small park. And this is where she was able to relax and don't cry or anything. Don't play here. I think I need to be taking her outside more so she can see other kids. Because see, the only us is here and she's free. Eh? What are you doing?
Never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain. You
Is it play? Is it play?
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So
Ah, she's telling her if she hurt Nick, she'll come for.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last year. It's a new me.
Hey, we finished. Bye-bye. Bye bye. End of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and turn the notification bell so that you get the first notification whenever I post a new vlog, and also like and comment and share. So I am done for today. This is practically what I do in a day in my life. Yeah, this is almost, sometimes it's different, sometimes it's the same, so never can predict. Yeah, so I'll see you all in our next one. Mama, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Mama, say bye-bye. And she's happy. Alright, guys.